Hi, I'm Stacey, and this summer my family took the trip of a lifetime travelling to Rome, Milan, Lake Como, Disneyland Paris and London, and we thought we'd take you with us. In this instalment we are taking a closer look at our Disney hotel, Hotel Cheyenne, looking around the room and the hotel and giving you our opinion, so stay tuned. This is Hotel Cheyenne, part of the Disneyland Paris Resort Hotels. This is one of their 3-star hotels and it is completely Western and Toy Story themed. Now, we had never stayed here before and the theme completely won us over. The last time we visited Disneyland Paris 6 years before this, we stayed at the Sequoia Lodge, which is more themed around the kind of forest and woods. But this one, even though a lower star, won us over. Now, the room includes aircon, you have some bottles of water, a kettle, some coffee, but there is no fridge in this, which would actually be a great plus if you could get it. But overall, the resort and the room we really liked. We had a good sleep, apart from my husband. He didn't like the pillows at all, so maybe if you are quite particular around pillows, take your own, but apart from that, no complaints at all. As you can see through the buildings, this is the different themes. They're named after different cowboys and famous Western parts, not actually Toy Story themed or Toy Story named, which is quite interesting, but we really like this. They are only 2 floors, but there is no lift in them, so if you're taking quite a lot of luggage, just be aware if you get a room on the 2nd floor, you will need to take them up the stairs. Now, also in the resort, you have a restaurant which does barbecue food at night. I think it might be a buffet for both breakfast and dinner, so that's worth checking out. We never ate at the hotel just because we were only there for one night, but it did smell amazing when we walked past, and again, I had a look in the restaurant and the theming in here was so good. So I think if you've got younger kids and things, they're going to love just how this hotel looks in general. Now, they also have a general store available which has all your Disney merch, lots of things available, and also some snacks and drinks and things. There's also a Starbucks on site, which was quite dangerous for us, but also very handy. They also have an area that has vending machines and a place to do your washing or laundry while you're there, which I thought was really good, but we were only there for one night, so we didn't actually use the hotel resort that much. Now, you can also walk here to the parks. It says on the website it takes 20 minutes, but that might just be depending on where you are staying. But from the kind of main area, it took us 15 minutes. We timed it from there to get to the parks, which is great. They also have the on-site shuttle. You can use the buses, but I'm not really sure how regular they are or how busy they might be, especially at the end of the night. So I think that walk is great. You're walking down past the river, Sequoia Lodge is on your left hand side, the Marvel Hotel on your right. You get to the big lake in the balloon, you're through security and through the village, so it is great location wise as well. This is a little look around the shop and you can see the different theming. You also have the opportunity to meet some Toy Story characters at the hotel, which is great. We queued for this, I think, about 15 minutes at 10 o'clock in the morning, so that's a great opportunity if you've got some Toy Story fans. Now, we booked this hotel directly through the Disneyland Paris website. I would say it was quite expensive for what we were booking for it being a 3-star, but we were staying in the height of July. It was a French holiday that week as well, so we did end up probably overpaying for it. But the other hotels such as Sequoia Lodge, Newport Bay, Marvel and the Disneyland Hotel were so much more expensive. There is also the Santa Fe Hotel, but we hadn't heard great things about that, and the Davy Crockett's Lodge, they come in cheaper, but Davy Crockett's Lodge doesn't offer transport to the park, so you would need to work that out. Overall, we really rated Hotel Cheyenne, and if we were booking to stay at Disney again, we would definitely book this hotel. Maybe just take an extra pillow for the husband, but for location, for value, because again, even though it was expensive we went, it was still one of the cheapest options, and for theming and just a great experience, we would definitely recommend booking Hotel Cheyenne at Disneyland Paris. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit subscribe and you'll see all our vlogs on our channel from our amazing Europe adventure.